Hello, I'm Brad Exton with FASS Fuel Systems. We have representatives out on the road weekly seeing our dealers. And there's several reasons for this. We're also out doing trade shows, we're shaking hands and kissing babies. But the reason for this video is that we also go in and we see potential dealers, be it off-road, semis, pickup trucks, bark grinders. There's all kinds of avenues to earn business with FASS Fuel Systems. And they go in and sometimes they talk, yeah, I want to become a dealer, but I figured it'd be a $5,000, $10,000 buy-in. No, we're looking for quality dealers representing our industry. That's what we want. So if you meet the qualifications, you can become a dealer without any initial purchase because you purchase through our distributors. Usually they can get them to you in the next day or so. Also, we've been hearing that we'd love to have your filter packs from our current dealers, but our current WD doesn't have them. Well, if your current WD doesn't have them, call us and we'll get you the one that does have them. So what's great about this though is this, it's a little bit bulky, but they're protected, okay, for one. So when they buy them and they put them away, they're protected and they're easy to find, okay? The other thing is that when you put this on your shelf, this is a conversation piece now. They might be getting ball joint put in, they might be having a FASS put on. Oh, I need an extra set of filters. Here it is. But you know what? They don't have to buy the box with the filters in it. You can have individual filters also. You can have this. You can sell it either way. But this attracts them to asking questions. You might be busy taking just care of normal business and everything and forget to offer them filters. This is a great reminder. So go to fastride.com or call the number below and apply to be a dealer. Love to have you.